Hello there. Yeah, I know you don't see me very often in front of the camera. I'm only here today to say thank you very much for all the support from my subscribers and everyone who clicks on the thumbnail on YouTube to watch one of my videos. I really appreciate it, especially considering when I started the channel it was so that my relatives in Australia could watch my painting, and this video especially goes out to my mother, who is about to turn 88 and lives in a senior care facility on the Sunshine Coast in Australia, and her way of getting to see what I'm doing with my painting is to watch my videos. I haven't seen her for 2 years. I was supposed to be going over earlier this year, but unfortunately because of the virus I haven't been able to do that. So hi Mum, please go on watching my videos and enjoying them. So I'm really grateful for all the support that I've had. It's hard to believe that I've actually got to 1,000 subscribers. I'm assuming that will continue to go up and that you'll get some enjoyment and possibly useful information from what I upload. So that's it from me. I will now show you another video that I've done. This one has been using leftover bits of paint from my previous video, and I just had basically a play around. So I hope you enjoy it. Thank you. Bye. That certainly was fun. Using up those paints from my last video made it beautiful and colourful, and as you can see it's come out really pretty, except I'm more into this side than this side. I tried to fix this side up when I realised it was going to be a little bit muddy, but I don't think I improved it at all. So if I could cut it in half, I would want to have all that side, because it's just gorgeous, really, really lovely. I've got a little tiny bit of lacing going on, so I'll just keep using my blowtorch for a little bit longer to see if there is any more that might come up. But overall, I'm very, very pleased with this. It's a great way to use up those paints. And as you saw with my base, I had that same, what I call deep ocean green colour, this time mixed with 1 part of each of the phthalo green and the phthalo blue, and 50-50 mix with my pouring medium. So now I will bring it up closer to the light for you to see all the colours and how pretty that has actually come out on this side more than on the other side, which is muddied up a little. But it's a good way for me to use up that paint, and I do love doing the well, it's like a Dutch pour. I suppose that one was more like a Dutch pour than just a blow dryer pour, and the colours are really pretty, and it's going to, I think it's going to dry really, really well. So that's my effort for today's video. I just want to again say thank you very much to all my subscribers. I still can't believe that I've actually reached 1,000, and without your support I probably wouldn't have put nearly as much time and effort into my channel. So once again, thank you very much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.